how to set up recurring deposits in Trading 212. So it's called recurring payments or deposit, say it like you want. All you're gonna have to do is to open your Trading 212 account and go to settings in right down corner area, 3 lines. Once you are here, you can see big blue button deposit funds. So click on it, and over deposit button you can see small line recurring and it's set to off. So let me just, for example, set here 50 euro or USD. You can see here the fee, and now click on recurring, and you can set the repeat daily, weekly, every 2 weeks, monthly, and also choose the day. So your first payment will be made on 28th of June. I want to, for example, every first day of the month, so the 1st June will be the next automatic payment. Click on set. Up here also choose your payment method. I got here Apple Pay already set, so it's gonna use my Apple Pay wallet. It's the easiest way how you can do it, and simply click set schedule and confirm with your Apple Pay. And every 1st of the month they're gonna be recurring deposits to your trading account. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.